everybody, what's up, and welcome back again to my channel. So it's another travel journey, and this time I'll be going to Taiwan. And of course, before ako makapunta ng Taiwan, kailangan kong pumunta ng Manila. So I'm currently here in Davao International Airport at tayo ay pupunta na ng Manila. So I'll give you a quick tour kung ano yung kalagayan ng Davao International Airport. So hindi siya masyadong busy, may kaunting pasahero ang dumarating, so yeah. And I'm back. So nanahuli sa departure area, guys. So but I don't have any boarding gate assignment yet, so let's wait for that one. Look who's here. Diba? Man magpadulong.
Secret.
Secret. Sana all secret. And nandito na ako sa gate lounge number 4, guys. And this is my gate assignment. So, mga kasama ko sila sa flight. Naiya Terminal 2. While the others are waiting for it. So this is very familiar. Ilang beses na ako dito sa Terminal 2, guys. So I'm very much familiar with it already. So this is Terminal 2. So ito yung loob ng NAIA Terminal 2, guys. Arrival area. So dito mo rin kukunin yung mga baggage kung meron kang check-in baggage. So yeah. Since papunta tayo ng Taipei, guys, kailangan natin pumunta ng NAIA Terminal 3 kasi doon yung international flight ng AirAsia. So, sasakay tayo ng bus from Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. Ito yung ganap dito. Busy kayo sila. So dito banda yung bus. Okay. Terminal transfer bus is nandun. So maglakad ka lang ng konti tapos doon sa banda yung bus. Ilang beses na ako nakasakay ng bus from NAIA Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. So, walang problema siya, guys, kasi yung bus is nandito na sa labas ng airport. Tapos, madali lang siya. Yung hindi madali is from Terminal 3 to Terminal 2. Ewan ko kung bakit. Yeah, so, matagal yung hintayan ng bus. So, hindi masyadong marami yung bus. And you can only avail this for free if meron kang connecting flight. And bago tayo pupunta sa Naiya Terminal 3, kakain muna tayo guys. So from there, may Jollibee dito guys, pero take out lang siya. At ito na yung Jollibee ko, di ba? Ang daming sauce. Tapos medyo malaki-laki na yung chicken. And I am already here in the spot where I will be waiting for a bus from Naiya Terminal 3 to Terminal 3.